Hi, my name is Jonathan. I am the founder and CEO of Mint Media. We are a design and development agency. We primarily work with other B2B clients. We really offer full-scale design and development support. We work with all kinds of CMSs, including, but not limited to WordPress, Shopify, completely custom CMS, Contentful, etc. I have worked with Cloudways for a long time. I think probably like 3 or 4 years now, primarily for the WordPress managed hosting or some, PHP/Laravel based projects. It allows us to spin up new applications, development environments, staging environments very, very easily, very, very quickly. It has allowed me to give full access to these managed hosting solutions to our engineers. So, my intervention is not needed. Our account manager intervention is not needed, whether it be spinning up new environments or whether it be dealing with environment problems. A huge plus is that Cloudways support has consistently been top tier. I think it's our best support that we've received from any vendor that we use. Cloudways Copilot is a newer addition, very new. I think we've been using Cloudways Copilot for about 2 months now. We use it in our account. We use it in some partner agency accounts that we work with that have even more sites than we managed. It has been great. Once you get to like 50 to 100 applications that you're managing within Cloudways, it can be a bit difficult. You're relying on some of the email or bot notifications to tell you when something's wrong or when something needs to be improved. But Copilot makes it easy. It summarizes not only the issue, but the best part about that is it makes it easier for us to troubleshoot the issue and provide potential solutions. Sometimes an application, for example, might be using too many resources, and instead of having to try to debug, figure out what application it is, now you get a message. It gets an automated AI message with usually 2 or 3 LLM generated suggestions on not only exactly what the issue is, but some suggestions on how to resolve that specific issue on the application and or on the environment. And that has been great. That has saved us quite a bit of time when those issues arise. And it's been an awesome addition. Continue to recommend Cloudways as a tool. Cost is great, very transparent. Cloudways Copilot now is excellent in aiding to troubleshoot solutions and not having to reach out to support as much. If you're watching this video in an agency or you work in the design and development space managing multiple hosted environments, multiple hosted servers, highly recommend to check out Cloudways. It has been a game changer for our agency growth.